Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Bloom plugin. First, ensure you have the Bloom plugin installed and activated on your WordPress website. Once active, you will find the Bloom option in your WordPress dashboard. Click on it to access the Bloom settings. From there, you can begin creating your first opt-in form by selecting one of the 6 available display types, such as pop-up or fly-in. This initial setup is quick and straightforward, getting you ready to capture leads in just a few moments. Now, let's dive into designing your opt-in form. Bloom offers over 100 pre-designed templates, making it easy to get started. You can customize every aspect, from colors and fonts to background images, ensuring it perfectly aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Remember to craft engaging headlines and a strong call to action to encourage sign-ups. A well-designed form can significantly increase your conversion rates, often by as much as 50%. Next, we'll configure the display settings and triggers for your form. You can decide exactly where and when your opt-in form appears. Options include displaying after a specific time delay, after a user scrolls a certain percentage down the page, or even after a purchase. You can also target specific posts or pages, ensuring your message reaches the most relevant audience. These precise controls help optimize user experience and maximize your lead generation efforts. Finally, let's talk about integrations and analytics. Bloom seamlessly connects with 19 popular email marketing services, including MailChimp and ConvertKit, making it simple to add new subscribers to your lists. The plugin also provides built-in analytics, allowing you to track impressions, conversions, and conversion rates. You can even /B test different form designs to discover which performs best, potentially boosting your sign-ups by 20% or more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.